Hey, if you are wondering why your AirPods Pro free chirping, then it usually indicates one of these issues. So the first one, the noise control or the transparency mode. When you go over here and switch modes, that can actually cause a short sound, especially when you grab one of your AirPod inside your hand, close it, then the sound goes even higher. Also, that could be the Find My alert. If someone triggers Find My to locate the AirPods, they will actually chirp. And some kind of the connection alerts. They may chirp when pairing, disconnecting, or reconnecting to a device. And a chirp also can signal that the earbuds or case need charging. So what I can recommend you, simply input both earbuds inside the charging case, close the case, and charge them for like 30 minutes. Or if it is not working, you can simply try to reset them. If you don't know how to reset, you can find video on my channel how to do that properly.